Hi, this is Luna with UBot Studio. Today we're going to look at an incredible new AI feature, Smart Tasks. So watch. All I have to do is drag this Smart Task command into the script window, and then I'll tell it I want it to go into support and draft a response for the first ticket. Now I'll come up here and click the Run button, and UBot Studio does the rest for me. UBot Studio is actually using AI to look at each web page as it comes up and figure out the best way to accomplish the task. Oops, it looks like it didn't get the selector for this box right. No problem, we'll just help it a little bit. So let's see if that works. Perfect. AI doesn't always get things right on the first try, so sometimes it needs a human touch. And that's it for today's demo. I'm Luna. Thanks for watching. Try Smart Tasks yourself and see how AI can supercharge your workflow. Until next time, happy botting.